Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting an elevated command prompt. That's essential because repair commands need admin rights. Once you have the prompt, confirm the Windows drive letter by listing volumes, because C is common but not guaranteed. Next, make sure no file systems are locked. Disable fast startup or boot into recovery to avoid write conflicts. Now you're ready to run low-level tools. This step prevents accidental work on the wrong disk, and it gives the commands the access they need to repair system files and boot data. With admin access and the right drive letter, run chkdskc/f/r to repair file system errors and locate bad sectors. This can take time, so be patient. Once disk integrity is good, run sfc/scano to repair protected system files. If you're offline, use the offbootdir and offwindir switches to point to the Windows folder. After file repairs, restore the boot environment using bootrec with /fixember, /fixboot, and /rebuild. These steps fix corrupted files and bootloader issues that prevent Windows from starting. Once boots and system files are repaired, run dism to restore the component store, dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth, or use offline switches if required. After that, reboot and test normal startup. Make sure to remove any recovery media. If Windows still fails to boot, run the automatic startup repair from recovery. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands fail, capture exact error codes and messages. Those codes let you choose between system restore, image recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.